Hey everybody, it's Carolyn Wheeler, aka C-Dub from cdubsays.com, and today we're going to talk about visualization and how to use it to reach your goals. There are many tools you can use to help you live the life of your dreams. Opening your mind to different techniques can help you make big changes in how you approach your future and reach your goals. Many people use visualization to inspire and motivate them. More than just thinking about what you want, visualization is an effective tool that harnesses the power of your subconscious mind to help you achieve your dreams. Your mind has an amazing ability to create your reality, and visualization is a key to creating the reality you desire. So follow these steps to effective visualization. Now, before we begin with this step, I'd just like to make a note that it's going to sound a lot like meditation. And in fact, visualization, I think, is a form of meditation. So let's go. Make sure you're in a quiet environment without distractions. Close your eyes and breathe deeply. Breathe in slowly through your nose to a count of 5, then exhale through your mouth to a count of 5 or more. As you breathe in, your diaphragm should expand, and as you exhale, it should flatten. Take at least 3 to 5 breaths like this to slow your heart rate and calm your mind. Trust me, it'll put you in the right state of mind for visualization. Picture a clear mental image of what you desire. Focus on the details. Notice the colors, textures, sounds, and smells. Let it play like a movie in your mind with you as the director and leading star. Picture yourself already doing or having the things you want. See yourself accomplishing your goals with ease. Practice visualizing the thing you want at least 2 times a day. In order for visualization to work to its highest potential, you must be consistent with your new habit and use the practice every day. If you start to experience negative thoughts during your day, stop them and replace them with your vision and the positive thoughts connected to it. Follow each step of the process through to completion. Let yourself feel the emotions connected to achieving your goal. Avoid any feelings of doubt or questioning. And this part is important. Visualize the outcome as though it has already happened. Don't rush through your visualization. Allow yourself enough time to experience the vision fully. About 10 minutes or so is usually sufficient. Visualization can be very powerful in helping clarify your desires. However, it's important to remember that you may not receive the answers you're seeking in the way you expect. Remain open-minded to different ways your desires can come to reality. If you desire money, for example, don't expect to win the lottery or receive a check in the mail, although that could happen. Instead, you may be offered a new job, a promotion, or some other opportunity to earn extra money. By keeping an open mind, you're more likely to see opportunities that can bring your visualizations to reality. Visualization can lead you to greater peace of mind, serenity, and contentment. Begin using visualization techniques today to help you achieve your goals and desires and reap the rewards. And one final thing. Did you know a vision journal can be a powerful tool to help you with visualization? Want to learn how? Take the new Vision Journal Power online course. It's designed to help you not only discover your deepest dreams and desires, but to take real actionable steps toward their achievement. You'll discover the power of a well-planned vision journal, how to create your own and use it to focus your efforts in all areas of your life, and how to avoid the most common vision journal mistakes so they don't continue to hold you back. You can register for this course at cdubsays.teachable.com. And finally, don't forget to check out the website cdubsays.com. There you'll find resources on how to develop a success mindset, define what success means for you and train your brain toward achieving it, setting realistic, manageable goals, planning in 90-day increments so that you see, experience, and celebrate your progress. You'll learn how to establish empowering habits to help you stay on track. And finally, you'll tackle your fears and limiting beliefs and learn how to fight back when your mind tricks you into believing an alternate reality that doesn't really serve you. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope it's been helpful. If you want to, and I hope you do, please leave a comment or question in the space below. And give us a like. Hope to see you soon.